But there's a serious challenge in Kenya kae. Ni nyaka nene devolution bi nitie gimoro mapoko timore miluongo ni civic education on devolution. Jo piny ong'eya gini kod gimo wacho negi, the leaders wacho negi, but civic education manyalo miyo jo piny capacity to participate effectively podo kotimore. Kendo wan gi geno no the governors mokawo tich Luo Nyanza nyaka Kisii kwa the national nigi bro keto in place together with the assemblies systems and structures manual enable your piny to understand how they can engage. So this civic education is a requirement in part 6 of the County Government Act. That secondly, the executive onego timgim decentralization mar devolution up to the villages. And this, the governor Masia in his manifesto, in fact, one of the ministries, Moketo, no say emphasize, and he continues to do so, no bro ensure governance and public participation is effective. Mano very important. Togi maduong kabisa en the executive kagise bedo kod their CIDP wado